Greetings, Earthlings! Welcome back to our cosmic journey. Today, we're delving into the enigmatic world of our celestial companion, the Moon. But hold on to your helmets, because we're about to unveil some unknown Moon facts that'll leave you starry-eyed. Fact number 1. Did you know that the Moon isn't actually round? That's right. Despite its seemingly perfect spherical shape, the Moon is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. This is due to its rotation and gravitational forces interacting with Earth. Fact number 2. The Moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. It's true. Every year, the Moon moves approximately 3.8 centimeters farther from our planet. So, if you're planning a lunar getaway, you might want to book your ticket sooner rather than later. Fact number 3. The Moon has a tail. No, not the furry kind. I'm talking about a lunar tail made of sodium gas. When the Moon passes through Earth's magnetotail during a full moon, it collects sodium atoms and forms a glowing tail that stretches for thousands of miles behind it. Fact number 4. There's water on the Moon. Recent discoveries have revealed that our lunar neighbor isn't as dry as we once thought. Ice deposits have been found in the shadowed craters of the Moon's poles, offering potential resources for future lunar exploration and colonization. Fact number 5. The Moon has moonquakes. Unlike earthquakes, which are caused by tectonic activity, moonquakes occur due to the gravitational forces exerted by Earth. These quakes can last for several minutes and have been detected as deep as 700 kilometers below the Moon's surface. Fact number 6. The Moon has a weird wobble. Unlike most moons in the solar system that orbit their planet's equators, our Moon has a peculiar wobble known as libration. This wobble causes the Moon to appear to rock back and forth and sideways slightly as it orbits Earth, giving us glimpses of its far side. Fact number 7. The Moon rings like a bell. During the Apollo missions, astronauts placed seismometers on the lunar surface, and when they crashed the spent rocket stages onto the Moon, the impact caused it to reverberate like a bell for hours. This phenomenon revealed surprising insights into the Moon's interior structure. Fact number 8. There are mysterious swirls on the Moon. Have you ever noticed those strange, twisting patterns on the lunar surface? Known as lunar swirls, these enigmatic features are believed to be caused by magnetic anomalies and solar wind interactions, creating mesmerizing light and dark patterns. Fact number 9. The Moon has a peculiar smell. Astronauts who walked on the lunar surface during the Apollo missions reported that the Moon has a distinct odor described as spent gunpowder or burnt ashes. This strange aroma is attributed to the Moon's lack of atmosphere, allowing lunar soil to retain unique chemical compounds. Fact number 10. The Moon is shrinking. That's right, folks. Just like a grape turning into a raisin, the Moon is gradually shrinking as its interior cools and contracts. This process, known as lunar shrinkage, causes the surface to buckle and form cliffs called scarps, revealing the Moon's dynamic geological history. Fact number 11. The Moon has a peculiar rotation. Unlike most moons that orbit their parent planets with the same face always pointing towards them, the Moon rotates at a synchronized rate, meaning we only ever see about 59% of its surface from Earth. This phenomenon, known as tidal locking, results in the same side of the Moon always facing us. Fact number 12. The Moon's surface is covered in tiny glass beads. Moon dust, or regolith, is made up of fine particles created by micrometeorite impacts over billions of years. But what's truly fascinating is that many of these particles have been melted and fused into glass beads by the intense heat of these impacts. Fact number 13. There's evidence of recent volcanic activity on the Moon. While we tend to think of the Moon as a dormant world, recent observations from lunar orbiters have revealed signs of relatively recent volcanic eruptions. These eruptions have left behind dark, volcanic plains called mare that still puzzle scientists. Fact number 14. The Moon has a lopsided core. Unlike Earth, whose solid inner core is roughly spherical, the Moon's core is offset from its center, closer to its Earth-facing side. This asymmetrical core is thought to have been caused by the gravitational influence of Earth during the early stages of the Moon's formation. Fact number 15. The Moon is a time capsule of cosmic history. Because the Moon lacks an atmosphere and geological processes like weathering and erosion, its surface preserves a record of cosmic events dating back billions of years. By studying lunar rocks and regolith, scientists can uncover clues about the early history of our solar system. Incredible, isn't it? The more we learn about the Moon, the more mysteries we uncover. But that's the beauty of exploration. There's always something new waiting to be discovered in the vast expanse of space. Until our next cosmic rendezvous, keep dreaming and reaching for the stars.